Today we're putting together an Umage Carmina lampshade. So this is what we're hoping to make once we've completed it. The lampshade comes in a sturdy box. It's well packed. And as you can see, there are 7 outer layers to the light. Packed in foam are the inner parts of the light. The inner part of the light is made up of 6 segments. Make sure that the slot at the top of each segment is horizontal. That's important. Connect each segment to the discs that are provided. There's a disc at the top and a disc at the bottom, and they have small slots in them. So work your way round, attach the segments to each of the slots. As I say, there are 6 parts, so just work your way around and attach these. I found it easier to actually attach the top and the bottom to the disc at the same time. From this angle, you can see the slots in the disc that the inner sections of the light connect to. There are 12 slots on each of the frame parts. Now, on the outer part of the light, there are also 12 slots to fit into the 12 slots on the frame. With the first outer part of the light, slip it into the top slot, and then as you work your way round each segment of the light, you drop it down a level. So the first part is in slot 1, and then as you move round each segment, then you go to slot 2, slot 3. Now it's worth counting down each time because you don't want to fit it into the wrong slot. Keep working round. At this point it looks quite bare, but it is only the first outer layer of the light. It gets easier as you work your way round, but still keep counting down just to make sure that you're putting the outer layer of the light in the right slot. So we're on to number 2. It is quite fiddly because obviously if you're doing it on your own, you're trying to hold the main part of the light while folding around the outer layer of the light. So as you did with the first one, go to the next part of the light, attach the outer layer to the top slot, and then work your way around again, the second slot, and as you go round the third slot and the fourth slot. Basically you're repeating the process on each of the different, or each of the 6 outer layers of the lampshade. So we're on to the 4th outer layer of the lampshade. As you can see, we're looking at it a little bit closer here. I actually find it easier to insert the second slot first. There you go. And then the top bit went in. On each of the outer layer, as you can see, there's a little insert, and you've just got to snugly push that in. It's worth taking your time. The actual outer layer of the light is sturdy. It's made of plastic, so I don't think it's going to break or tear, but you don't want to risk that anyway. You do get a spare outer layer just in case, but I think this would only be used in an emergency situation, which is not going to happen, I don't think. Work your way round. As you can see, once you get going, you slot it in quite easily. When you get onto the 5th and the 6th outer layers, it gets a little bit more difficult because obviously there's less of the actual lampshade to hold as you're guiding in the outer parts, but it's fairly sturdy, as I said, so you can place it on a table or a work surface and it's not going to actually hurt the light itself. Keep working your way around. last few slots. It's a tiny bit fiddly, but all in all, you just got to be patient. And there you go, a good looking light. A little bit fiddly to make, but as long as you're patient and work your way around with each section, it's not a problem. It took about 15 to 20 minutes in total. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and look out for more videos coming soon.